Here I have Nokia G50, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, then date and time. And here you can change your date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, firstly disable this feature, use network provided time. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone here. Firstly, you have to select your region, and then you can select one of the available time zones. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.